Hi everyone, Brandon Bassett here with Bassett TV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your window wipers on your 2009 Honda Civic sedan. It's very simple. Your driver's side window takes a 26-inch wiper blade, and your passenger side window takes a 22-inch wiper blade. You could get any of these wiper blades from any auto parts store such as AutoZone, Discount Auto, O'Reilly's. You can even go to Walmart, they have them there. There's multiple places. You go to Amazon, multiple places you could get the wiper blades from. It all depends on the preference of your wiper blade that you want to get. You know, you have Rain-X, all the way from Rain-X, which are a little bit pricier, all the way down to the regular basic brand, which costs very little. So today I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how to do this. It's very simple, very easy to do. There's no reason why you should go out and have somebody to do this for you. Yeah, well, let's jump into it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick up your wiper blade here. So basically all you're going to do is lift up on your wiper blade and it'll come up and it'll stand there by itself. After that, you'll come to your wiper blade and you'll have these two little buttons here that have little ridges on them, and all you're going to do is basically squeeze and pop up. And basically what happens is that little piece right there just comes right off. After that, you just literally pull down on this wiper blade here and boom, it pops off. Slide it out. There you go. Now be careful with this piece here, because this piece here, if you let it slam down on your window, it will crack. So be careful on that. Do not let this fall down. So once this is off, basically what you're doing is you're going to grab your new wiper blade. What you're going to do is you're going to take it, you're going to pop this ridge off, you're going to slide it through the hole, and then what you're doing is you're going on this, you're going to take this hoop here and you're going to go and slide it over this. So basically you're going to go down, push down, and then you're going to pull up, and then boom, you're locked in. So that there is how it pretty much looks. And you have this piece here, just slide down, push down, you hear it click in, and you're done, and you're good to go. Put it back down, boom, one wiper blade is already done. That's simple. So then you're going to come to the other side. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to lift up. You're going to lift up on your wiper blade, pull it up. And then again, you're going to take your two fingers, squeeze, and pop up. Just like that. Then you're going to take it and you're going to pull down. And then it's going to slide right off. And then you go back to the hole. It's that simple. You're going to get rid of it. And you're going to go grab your new wiper blade. Remember, don't make sure that this does not fall down. You get the new one, slide it through, come back in. What you're doing here, see if I get a different view of this. So what you're doing is you're sliding through this hole, coming out the other side of it, and then you're basically trying to hook this piece, this hoop, through this here. And all you're doing is pushing up, and you'll hear it click in, and you close this up, put it back down, and that's it. Your two wiper blades have been changed and you are good to go. So as you can see, this is a very simple process. You could do this anywhere around. You could do this at an auto parts store. You could do this in front of your house. You could do this anywhere. It is a very simple process. Like I said, your front driver's side wiper blade will take a 26-inch. Your front passenger side will take a 22-inch. And it's as easy as unplugging or snapping out the top, pulling it down, grabbing your new one, sliding it on, popping it back down. It's that simple. It's very easy. Again, my name is Brandon Bassett with Bassett TV, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this will help you save money and not have to take this to somebody else to do. Enjoy your day.